Well, hello, I'm Beth the Builder, and the time has finally come to remove this ridiculous, poorly laid, fake wood floor that's on top of real wood floor. For whatever reason, somebody thought that this was a solution. So, the time has come. We are going to get rid of this ridiculous, stupid, fake wood floor, and I'm pumped. I have my handy dandy crowbar, I got some knee pads, and what else do you need for some demo? The benefit of, this poorly laid floor is that it was installed really poorly. So there's some nails holding it down, but otherwise it hasn't been glued or anything. So it comes up essentially just like pulling it up with a hammer or a crowbar. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm very excited to finally get rid of this because it's stupid and it looks dumb and bad, and I just don't understand why you would ever do this instead of just cleaning up the hardwood floors. I don't understand. This should be pretty satisfying. I am very excited. It has been a burr in my side since we moved in and I saw this dumb fake hardwood floor and I was like, that's stupid. So that's what we're doing, and we're gonna uncover this hardwood floors. So let's do it. Alrighty, let's just take one last look at how stupid this floor is. So you can see there's two big seams in the middle and then on the edge as well. So yeah, you can do it this way, but someone's gonna come along and tell you that you're an idiot and that you did a bad job. So, okay, bye floor. See you in hell. Who were these monsters that thought that was better than this? Who are you? What are you doing with your life? Get your shit together. Stop DIYing. Okay, before we go any further, now that you've watched me demo all this, you should probably give me a like, because who doesn't like getting rid of disgusting fake hardwood floors? What's not to like about that? It's awesome. So, alrighty, so, as you can see, it's not that this floor is without its faults, like when people slop paint all over it. That's a pretty big fault. But I am going to scrape that off. So that's no big deal. Otherwise, it's a little dirty and somebody attempted to, I don't know, maybe somebody died there? Oh my God. But I think somebody attempted to stain it poorly without maybe actually sanding it and stuff. So the stain on it is in pretty rough condition, but I would take somewhat rough hardwood floors over poorly laid, shitty, fake hardwood floors any day, or tile or anything. I would take the somewhat rough hardwood over pretty much anything because there's a lot you can do with it. Yeah, so this isn't like it's not like it's in perfect condition. I mean, they're probably like 100 years old, so it would be pretty crazy if they were in absolute pristine condition. But that's why I'm here. So, you're welcome, house. I'm gonna help you out. Okay, so please don't slop paint all over hardwood floors. That really bums me out that someone would do that. Don't do that. Don't lay crappy, shitty, terrible, fake hardwood floors on top of original hardwood floors and then do a really bad job, okay? Please don't do that. So the future plan is to rent a big old floor sander and do this living room, our bedroom. There's another part this way of our living room that has tile on it, but then there's hardwood underneath that, and then sand that down. So yeah, I have like 3 or 4 places that I would love to get down to like fresh, clean hardwood floors and then stain them and seal them. I think that would be amazing. That is my future plan, but that's going to take a little bit more time for me to uncover all the hardwood floors because I would like to do it in one big chunk where I rent it once and then do all the places because it is kind of expensive. So that is the future plan. I'm very excited about this stage because, oh my God. It's okay, it's just a broom. Don't fall down. You're such a dope about hardwood floors. My dog keeps almost falling down now on this weird hardwood floor. So, for now, I'm going to scrape up the paint because, what? Hey, if you're gonna lay floor on top of floor, just let there be dirt and shit and nails and stuff in between the layers. Yeah, that's great, do that. So, yeah, I'm gonna clean it super well. But otherwise, this is kind of it for today because I kind of thought this would take longer, honestly, but I'm really glad that it came up really, really smoothly and there weren't any surprises because with homeownership, it seems like more often than not, there are weird surprises that you didn't expect to run into. I hope you enjoyed this. Go uncover your hardwood floors, get rid of that dung tile and shitty flooring. It's incredibly satisfying and I promise like you won't regret it because, you know, if you're already dissatisfied with what's on the first layer, you can't be more dissatisfied with the second layer. So, if you like this, give me a like, subscribe if you want more honest home repairs and DIYing. You can check out the description below where you can find all the places you can support me, like social media. I also have a PayPal where you can fund a Beth the Builder project. I also have an Etsy where you can buy a DIY crafty project thing I've made. Otherwise, I have new videos every Friday, so I'll see you next week.